first technological platform that I wanted to share with you is readtheory.org. Readtheory.org is meant to improve reading comprehension for students. So what is neat about Read Theory is that it, as soon as students take a diagnostic test, it begins assigning them reading passages at their grade level. They then have reading quizzes to go along with it that practice different Common Core standards and help with their reading comprehension overall. So how this works is you log into it, and I always use my school Google account. It's very simple. You create your classes that you are using this for. Through there, you are able to look at the class progress. You are able to look at each individual student's progress. And so it will talk to you about and show you the quiz history, so all the different reading quizzes they take, what grade level it was at, as well as the score that they got on that. This is a really neat tool, as it can help students with a lot of different skills, and especially help their test-taking skills as well as their overall reading comprehension. This is obviously meant for students, but it's also so beneficial for educators as it gives us very important data so we can drive our instruction and help that move forward. As far as the ICTE standards, I think that for students, the 1.3, which is the knowledge constructor, because it gives students a layer of independence and it allows them to learn how to work on things independently and problem solve. As for teachers, I think that standard 2.2, the leader, because this is seeking out opportunity that's going to best empower students and their success and give them those skills that they need to move forward. So readtheory.com is a very awesome platform if you're looking to help improve your students' reading comprehension as well as a lot of different skills.